Hi, I'm Jeffrey Antonelli of Antonelli Law. So today I'd like to discuss why Antonelli Law, and me particularly, are able to represent clients all across the country, from California to New York. So basically the reason is because copyright infringement is a pure federal statute. The United States Copyright Act is what's called federal preemption, meaning that the case can only be heard in federal court. Now, no attorney has attorney admissions in every state across the country, at least never that I've heard. But you don't need to. The reason is because the United States Supreme Court in 1963, in a case called Sperry versus Florida State Bar, the court ruled that federal courts are not dependent at all on what states do as a matter of attorney regulation. There was also a case in the Ninth Circuit in 2000 that basically affirmed this on the West Coast. Not that they needed to, because again, the United States Supreme Court made that holding back in 1963. So that's the reason why you can go out and find someone who is both to your liking and who has the type of experience that you need in your federal court case involving strike-3 holdings or any other copyright infringement matter from the West Coast, Honolulu, to New York, and every state in between. Now, as a matter of fact, I, Jeffrey Antonelli, do happen to have federal court admissions in a number of different jurisdictions, both in Illinois federal courts, all the federal courts in Michigan, Indiana, Wisconsin. Maybe leaving one or two out. I've been admitted for individual cases, what's called pro hoc vice, in a number of cases around the country. I think in Washington State and Maryland, I believe in Virginia, New Jersey, New York. Oh, I'm also admitted to the federal bar in one of the federal districts in New York. But again, you don't need to be formally admitted to every single federal court because it's pure federal practice. So any corporation wants their attorney of choice. If it's a matter of a state court case, they're going to bring in what's called local counsel for their star attorney or their law firm of choice, no matter where they're admitted or where they practice, and bring it to that case because they want their expertise, or we should say their concentration of experience. So that's the reason why. I have represented hundreds and hundreds of people from Honolulu to New York and many states in between. And the reason I'm able to do that competently is because first it's a matter of deep experience in not only litigation but BitTorrent copyright infringement litigation. I've represented people dealing with over 50 different movie companies and software companies and record companies. And finally, because of the United States Supreme Court in 1963, Sperry versus Florida State Bar. So I hope this has been helpful to you. And if you're interested in finding an attorney to represent you, make sure it's someone who has deep understanding and someone that you like and that you think you can trust and get along with. Not that an attorney needs to be your friend, but you need to be able to trust that that attorney is giving you the real advice that they would give to their friend or family if they were in need. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you might have. And good luck. Thank you.